Hey everyone, it's Kristen Kenny here at the Vivint Demo House, and today I'm excited to show you the all-new Outdoor Camera Pro Gen 2 and explain why you want to add it to your smart home today. So let's get started. The next generation Outdoor Camera Pro may look like the previous version, but that's where the similarities end. So with the Outdoor Camera Pro Gen 2, you get faster, smoother video playback thanks to the new built-in feature that allows for 24/7 recording for up to 10 days. Image quality is also improved, especially in low light, and the upgraded computer vision chip takes detection capabilities to the next level. The new Outdoor Camera Pro is also the only Vivint camera capable of powering another new and exciting product from Vivint, Spotlight Pro, which is capable of intelligently lighting up your property when a threat is detected. This is the next generation of outdoor cameras from Vivint, and it's available now for new and current customers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe by clicking the bell notification so that you know when we upload new content. Bye for now.